Coast Guard Station Zamboanga received a call through radio from the captain of MVMI Ciudad that the said vessel spilled an approximately 500 liters of oily water mixtures during the unloading of oily waste from the vessel due to the leak from the discharge valve. While docked at the Bengo Wharf, Zamboanga City, with coordinates of latitude 6.910348 north and longitude 122.051054 east. In response, the Coast Guard Station Zamboanga coordinated with MEPERG SWM and deployed its composite deployable response team from MEPERU Zamboanga, SOU SWM, OSRT from land-based facilities and shipping companies, and upon arrival to the incident area, oil spill was confirmed with a current bearing of 300 degrees at 1.94 knots and wind bearing of 90 degrees at 10 knots.